Hey guys, Retired at 40 here. Super Bowl season is here, and we're gonna make tongue of fire chicken wings and drumsticks today. So stay tuned. So the key to good chicken wings, in my opinion, is a good brine. And a simple brine is just 1/4 cup of salt, a tablespoon of sugar per quart of water. So mine have been sitting for 24 hours now. If you go any more than that, they usually get pretty salty. So 24 hours is kind of a good rule of thumb, I think. I'm going to transfer all my drumsticks, my wings, and my drumettes into a large mixing bowl because we're going to make a rub and cover them with rub, and then we're going to make some sauce. This recipe will do 3 pounds of meat, so adjust accordingly. To make our rub, we're going to need a tablespoon of paprika, 2 tablespoons of white or brown sugar, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of granulated garlic, and a teaspoon of celery seed. Okay, now that we get our seasoning all mixed up, we're going to add a couple tablespoons of olive oil or vegetable oil and give this a toss. Just evenly coat all this. Okay, and then we're going to slowly add in our spices. So the sauce we're making today is called Tongue of Fire, and not just a clever name, it's real spicy. If you don't want all your wings to be spicy, make sure you check out my homemade barbecue sauce recipe, and while you're there, check out the Super Bowl chili recipe. Okay, if you're ready to cook right now, then put your Traeger on smoke, and then we're going to go up to 350, and in the meantime we're going to make the sauce. For our sauce, we're going to melt 1 stick of unsalted butter over medium-low heat, and then once that's melted, we're going to throw in jalapenos, and depending on how much heat you want, I would go 2 to 4 jalapenos. Now we're going to go in with the jalapenos. We're going to cook those for 3 to 4 minutes. Now we need 1/2 cup of cilantro leaves. If you're doing dried cilantro, then just cut that down quite a bit. And then last but not least, we need 1/2 cup of your favorite hot sauce. Okay, we're going to set this hot sauce aside. This is actually just going to go onto the wings. We're going to toss it onto the wings after they're cooked. So let's go out to the grill and start cooking those wings. Okay, our grill's on 350. We're going to throw all these drumsticks and wings on here. And we want to leave these on for about 40 to 45 minutes or until the skin is crisp. And then at some point halfway through we want to flip them over, just turn them once. And you want that skin to be golden brown. Alright, I just did my first flip. It's been about 20 minutes and it is getting kind of dark out, so I wanted to remind you that if you are doing some barbecue sauce, put that on about 2 to 3 minutes before you're done, and just let that do 2 to 3 minutes worth of baking onto the wings. These wings, we're not going to put anything on. We're going to cook them fully, and then we're going to pull them off, and then we're going to toss them in our sauce that we made. Our final step is just to take our hot sauce, and we're just going to drizzle it over these, and then we're going to toss them, and they're ready for eating. This is Retired at 40. Remember to live life simple. We'll catch you next time. Those look delicious and smell delicious.